How to charge your pocket ECG battery. First, plug the charger into an AC outlet. Ensure the cable is well secured in the charger. The charger will beep if no battery is inserted. Insert the battery into the charger. The indicator light will flash orange during charging and turn green once fully charged. The charging process can take up to 4 hours. How to replace your pocket ECG battery. To replace the battery, slide the battery lock located on the back of your device to release the battery. Remove the battery and insert a fully charged one into the compartment until it clicks into place. Once a fully charged battery is inserted, your device will power on automatically and resume normal operation. A fully charged battery will power your device for up to 12 hours, so remember to always replace your battery twice a day.